Do we talk to hear ourselves talk? Do we overtalk the person? Do we outtalk the person? Why? Insecurity? You're not secure when a person is talking and you interrupt them. That's really disheartening. That's really not cool. Think about it. You're talking and you're going along in a sentence. The person goes, I think that I would like to, you're like, whoa, I was just talking. Well, reverse it and put the shoe on the other foot. Would you like that? Well, if you don't like it, don't do it. Listen before you talk. You know, there's the old 10-second rule. You really want to say something that isn't maybe one of the greatest, take 10 seconds. Take a pause. Before you open your mouth and spew something you may feel sorry for. After the 10 seconds is up, if that thought process is still there as strong, then I guess it would be your opinion to do it. Or maybe not. 10-second rule. Think before you talk. Think before you talk. Talk does not come in before thinking. Think before you talk. That person has something to say, and he or she would like to say it and have you hear and understand it. Well, if you interrupt them with your verbiage, you're probably telling them, I'm really not interested too much in what you have to say. I'm kind of interested in what I have to say. The sad thing is, what we've done is we've kind of reversed the roles in our world and we made it an I world. It's not. It's a we world. We. Another letter, W-E, not an I. I is very, very selfish. I. Listen. Hear. Think. Then talk. What that person has to say may be of interest to you to the point where you may not even have to say anything because that person has already answered it. But you didn't give he or she the chance. These things that I'm telling you only take seconds. Seconds. But we don't do it. Selfish, independent, narcissistic, I don't know. But I know it's not right. I know I did it when I was younger. I know it didn't make me have lots of friends. They'd say, you know, Gabriel, you interrupt a lot, probably up into my 30s. And then the last 30 years or so, I've come to realize 35 years that it's not the way. And I enjoy life more. And I learn more from people. They have something to say just as you. Give them the opportunity. If you guys out there like these videos, I got that like button. It means a lot. Hit that like. I've got a subscription. Doesn't cost you a penny. You'll get all these videos one after the other. Just automatic. Listen to what you want. Listen to all of them. Listen to none. Doesn't cost you a penny. Guess what? You may learn something. And I may learn something. And I know many of you have. But we can always use that, what I call that postgraduate class. I thank you guys very, very sincerely for listening. Enjoy your day.